All right, greetings and welcome to yet another video. Today we're going to be tackling the question, where should you set your vessel sinks? If you are watching this video, you might be curious, how far back, how far from the wall do you want your vessel sinks to be installed? So that's what we're going to be doing here. I bought a couple of vessel sinks for our relatively new master bathroom renovation and measured very carefully, and this video will show you kind of what that looks like, how far apart were the two vessel sinks, how far from the edge, etc., etc. So let's get started. We'll measure the middle in between using my very sophisticated 12-inch ruler plus a Q-tip. You can see there and do the math. We've got 12 plus about 6.5 is about 18.5 inches apart from one another. From wall to wall, by the way, it's about 73 inches, if that helps you. Now, these are low-profile vessel sinks. You can see that they're about 4.5 inches tall, so we really like that. We were using an existing Vanity that we just painted with sinks that were kind of built into the countertop, so we wanted to minimize the height as much as possible. Now, how far from the edge? You can take a look here. That was about 3.25 and about 3.125 from the edge to the wall. Enough to reach your hand back there. We'll put some contacts. About 1.5 inches from the really sweet faucets that we installed to the back edge of the sink. And a good 5 inches from the back of the wall to the back edge of the sink, which is probably not as important. You want to make sure that front is adequate. And in my opinion, in our opinion, this kind of setting, 3.5 or so from the front edge of the countertop back, has been really comfortable. We can stand, we don't have to like lean too far over. That might be a really good place for you to start. But of course, you'll want to dry set everything before you permanently install and attach the sinks to the countertop so that you can move it back, before you get the drains installed and all that good stuff. And yeah, we'll stop things there. Exact measurements down in the description below, and hopefully this video has helped you out. Thanks for being with me.